Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and live.
RGB car LED strip bar. Alright, I'm gonna show you real quick how you get this job done on any car. Let me change the colors. Sorry about the mess. Just trying to show you the colors. You can make it flick. You got a lot of modes. Alright. So the way I did this, you can see right there. Alright, this is the easier way to do that. So you get your strip right here, and you're gonna hold it with zip tight. You don't want to use the glue that come with it, because one, it's not gonna stick. Two, if it stick, it's gonna fall off within 3 or 4 days. So you're gonna use zip tie. You're gonna zip tie it on the ends. Just find a way where to stick it. Okay, so I got that one there, this one here, and then one all the way over here, like that. Right. If you come to the other side where you got a solid plastic, so this is a Honda Civic, I believe it's a 2007, 2008, 2006 actually. Alright, so on this side, this is what I got. Let me show you how it look on, and then I show you. I'm gonna remove that plastic and show you how it look, so I can find the key. Alright, so there you can see how it look. Alright, beautiful. Alright, how you get that done? You remove the plastic, if you can remove it. This one you're removing it by pulling it out to you. Like that. Just like that. Find it later. So in the back, you're gonna drill two holes. Then you're gonna run a zip tie. Through those two little holes, holding the actual LED on both ends. That way you know for sure that that's not gonna move. It's not gonna go anywhere. And then you put another zip tie on the extra wires, and then you put it on. Just push it in like that. So to put it in, you line them up over there on the bottom. There's like two guides right there. Okay, then you have two clips over here, two white ones, plastic, and then two metal ones. They're gonna go to the metal right here. So you gotta make sure you line them up. Make sure I bring this wire here on the top. Okay, so line them up right there. Alright, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but that's how you do it. You line them up and push them in. Just like that. That's how it look. Change it to red. Beautiful. All right. I hope you can do your own LED strip on your car. See you in the next one.